Yo, 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 yo. What the blood clot a go on? Wanna deal it? Wanna deal it? Wanna deal it? What is up, guys? Jamaica Rest give it another reaction. Today, guys, today we're my G, my boss, my brother from another mother. Swams, big up yourself, G. Big up a fucking self. Featuring Bugsy and M24. Payslips. Swams. Respect for you, my G. I have a lot of respect for you. You know why? We don't have to say 40 word. Bugsy have a G already. You don't know M24 there. So, we're going to jump straight to the one. I mean, now waste no time. No time! Let's go, let's go.
Payslips, running to the money every day, see. You see all the jobs I'm replacing. If you really want it, we can take it there. We ain't playing fair. Chasers, federally got me dodging cases. But I'm still lighting up stages. Got my niggas still banging on the pavements, yeah.
Yeah, that you can see right now. Anything in touch? Swams is gonna be one of them artists that will just rise right in front of your eye and there's nothing you can do about it. Like he's just different.
On a pagan, yeah. So what you telling me? Had the top floor looking Medellin. Had the bad B looking hella sweet. Click, 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 bang, that's a felony. We roll, na na na. Bang, bang on yo, da da da.
What a video you said, Swams?
My money can't go low, na na na. And she don't even know, la 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 la. Bro, money coming on the low. Half of them don't understand, do. Go your bag full of woes. Whoa, my nigga was case. Yeah, man, I was case. Half of them don't.
Yo, my nigga boss case. It's like M24 now. I'm gonna say yo, my nigga boss case. Yeah, my nigga boss case. But my question is, which part of the video set? Cause this one seems like anywhere in the UK to me, but I could be wrong.
Understand my pain before I came out of the rain. Cause man, I get paid. Yeah, man, I get paid. They don't understand, yeah. They don't understand, yeah.
Yo, Box. What you know about running to the back? Boxing alone, I do laps. Like I'm holding up the bang with no what.
You know Bugsy, I'm an artist, right? Anybody who watch my channel knows say Bugsy, I'm a G. Bugsy, I'm an artist. Although Bugsy, I know you don't post one of my reaction video them in my youth. Me a pray you, Bugs. Me a pray you. And me a talk it make you hear. Me a pray you, dog. Cause you nah show the love when me a show you, brother. You're my artist, bro. Big up yourself, Bugsy. Big up yourself. Big up your bumper class, LBG. Let's go. Let's go again.
Before I came out of the rain, cause man, I get paid. Yeah, man, I get paid. They don't understand, yeah. They don't understand, yeah.
Yo, Box. What you know about running to the back? Boxing alone, I do laps. Like I'm holding up the bang with no what. Young black millionaire, no cap. Multi-millionaire, I might add. I'm doing too much, I get gas.
First him say, young black millionaire, no cap. Wait. Stop. Handbrake. Multi-millionaire, may I add. So put some respect on the G name. Put some respect on the G name. Basically, the G I tell you say, yo, me have $1 million in the bank, or $1 million and some, plus my assets worth over $1 million. That is how millionaire count them millions, not all in cash. So the boss I tell you say, yo, young millionaire, pause, multi-millionaire at that. You see me? So, him assets plus him cash, what him have, multi.
Don't throw stones out of a glass house, cause your little greenhouse might collapse.
Boom!
Tell them stay safe. Pray to the Lord that I boss case. If I'm in the paper, give me the full page. Publicity monster on a rampage.
If me in the paper, give me the full page. Me don't want a little column. Me bigger than that by far. Give me the full bumbleclad page. Me don't want a column. Me don't want a column.
We break the law, we go to court in order to get the dough. We'll break the door. I come from the dark, I'll go to war. I've always got the bag, I'm Santa Claus.
Bro, money coming on the low. Half of them don't understand, do. Go your bag full of woes. Whoa.
The reason why I ask which part of the video set, because there's a lot of tall up in the video. Cash cat, there's a lot of that in the video. I mean, no say the UK not really to tolerate them thing there. So It could be the UK still. It could be on an army site or somewhere. It look like somewhere on an old army site on an airfield or something, you know. But yeah, big up the G them.
My nigga was case.
Case.
Yeah, man, I was case.
Case.
For them to understand my pain. Before I came out of the brain. Cause man, I get paid. Yeah, man, I get paid. They don't understand, yeah. They don't understand, yeah.
I run into the bag, I just chase guap. You ain't running to the bag, you just chase thoughts. Even when I bake off, I still make profit.
Don't act like say only not here with the G just bumble clot saying no. I don't want to do that, you know.
Don't understand, yeah.
I run into the bag, I just chase guap. You ain't running to the bag, you just chase thoughts. Even when
I run into the bag, I chase guap. You ain't running to the. You chase fox. I'm saying F-O-X or F-U-C-K-S. Fox or fox. Any one of them. Then they add them say girl. So you know see that matter.
I run into the bag, I just chase guap. You ain't running to the bag, you just chase fox. Even when I bake off, I still make profit. They ain't bout it, they come round to waste shots. They're scratching niggas, are getting gassed up.
You're not about it. You are not about it. You come around and say come and waste can, you waste bullet, you waste shots. Cause you shot them and missed everybody. Or you bust it off of God, you bust it at the ear. You shoot God foot bottom. You not shoot me. You not shoot my friend them. You a pussy. Try know that. And if you do make a one graze and graze a man, you show off about it. There's nothing to be proud of. You can't shoot. You're not about that life. Go and sit down. Go and take up a reading book. You go and sit down. Tramp.
From way back up, we getting whacked up. Why they act up? Like they match us. 40 round my neck, told them boys catch up. Every day I'm running to the bank door. Every day I spend another bankroll. I don't mind, cause I'm gonna make it back, yo. Shorty fine, she just wanna get her back blown. Most niggas cap, why they lying in their rap store? They just wanna rap, they weren't really on the back road. 50 on my AP, you know I take the piss before rap.
The boss will show you where my him drill them cast. The boss will just yo, he might tell you. And he's quite tall. He's quite tall because him taller than Bugsy. But right there, so him look like him taller than Bugsy there, so. Me never know I saw M24 tall, man.
So they just wanna rap, they weren't really on the back road. 50 on my AP, you know I take the piss. Before rap, I was out really trying to take the risk.
Bro, money coming on the low. Half of them don't understand, do. Go your bag full of woes. Whoa, my nigga was case. Yeah, man, I was case. Half of them don't understand my pain. Before I came out of the brain, cause man, I get paid, yeah, man, I get paid. They don't understand, yeah. They don't understand, yeah.
Pop. I like that. I like that. Swamps, big up yourself, the G. Big up yourself, the G. You know why me a big up so still? You know why me a big up, my G? You know why me a big up? Me not have to tell you why. You see me? Big up yourself, my fam. You know why. Bugsy, big up yourself. M24, solid. 2 solid verse. Solid chorus also. Yo, this song bad. Me can't fault it no way. Song bad. Me like the song. If you like the song and like the reaction and like the sound effects, don't forget the sound effects. You know what I mean? Drop a like. You see me? Drop a comment. Last but not least, subscribe. Subscribe. Bumbleclot. Outside, not the girl them outside. Peace.